What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kanina with another friendly reminder. It's Wednesday. Happy hump day to everyone. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Thanks for tuning in. If you aren't my subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Show your girl some love. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hope you guys are achieving your goals. Hope you guys are mastering your mindset and getting your life in order. All right, so um yesterday was a pretty cool day. My Tuesday was pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoying your weekend. I mean your weekday so far. We are in the middle of the week. So we're almost there, y'all. We're almost there. Give yourself a hand. Yeah. So, y'all, well, my manifesting greatness segment of my blog is, um, well, not blog, but my channel is like I'm going to split my channel up into um threes, so I will be able to keep up with the videos that I do and put all of the videos like touch on each subject of my channel. So you guys look for that. Make sure you guys I keep looking at it because I keep hearing shit. But so today we're going to get into this friendly reminder about achieving your goals. I'm going to give you guys some tips and strategies for success and, basically how to achieve your goals if you don't already know. So we know that setting and achieving our goals is essential to personal growth and success. It can be challenging though, I mean, to know where to start and how to stay motivated throughout the process. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and strategies for achieving your goals. Let me get put my phone here. And you guys, 11:11. Thank you. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to set SMART goals. Now, and when I say SMART goals, it's an acronym for um, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So these are the type of goals that you want to set. Make sure your goals are specific, they're measurable, attainable, they're relevant to what you need or what you want, and time bound. So put a time on it. Okay. Now, this is known as SMART goals, and it can help you create goals that are realistic and achievable. So use that technique. Make sure that you want to write it down, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So is that part of your goal? Make sure you are, you know, ensuring that each goal that you set has that kind of framework with it. So, and then create an action plan after that. Creating an action plan is essential to achieving your goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This is what we always talk about, when setting your goals because you don't want your goal to be too big to where you will get, you'll get like a fear of doing it or it'll be like, unreachable for you. So you want your goals to be small, manageable, and you want to create a timeline for completing each task. Now, taking this approach will help you stay organized and focused on your goals. So, when you're writing down things on your action plan, how will you, take action towards achieving your goals? You want to write it down, be specific in what you want to do, you know, and stay motivated about it. So, staying motivated can be challenging, especially when facing obstacles and setbacks. So, you have to remind yourself of your goals on a regular basis and be sure to track the progress along the way. Make sure you celebrate your achievements no matter how small they are. Celebrate yourself because they are used as motivation to keep you moving forward. So be sure to celebrate yourself once you have, started your progress, and once you feel like, okay, I am building, I am moving forward, I am moving along, I am, you know, rising gradually. Make sure you are patting yourself on the back for it. Hell, you know. So another thing, and surround yourself with supportive people. That is one of the primary things to do. You want to keep surrounding yourself with positive people, supportive people, people who encourage your goals, because these individuals can offer guidance, motivation, and accountability throughout the process. So join a group of like-minded individuals and or seek support of a mentor or coach. And another thing that we talk about on this channel, embracing failure. You know, embrace the failure because it's a natural part of the goal setting process. Embracing failures is opportunities to learn and grow, you know? So use them to identify areas for improvement and adjust your action plan accordingly. So I know you're like, oh my God, that is why this is a friendly reminder, because even if I've said this before, I want to continue to remind you and myself to stay on track, you know? So you have to have some type of repetitive, like, words or repetitive motions or repetitive actions so that you can remind yourself and it can get into your subconscious, and you can, before you know it, you won't even need, a reminder. You'll automatically know what to do. So the next one would be staying flexible. You always want to stay flexible in anything, because you have to be willing to adjust in your action plan. You have to be open to adjustments. You have to be able to adapt, willing to adapt your approach to overcoming obstacles and stay on track towards achieving your goal. So, in order to be able to adapt, you have to be flexible, remain open to every opportunity, every obstacle, every situation, because you never know. So, the next one again would be to practice self care. Self care is the most important thing you can do when manifesting greatness, achieving your goals, because taking care of yourself is essential to achieving your goals. So you have to make time for self-care activities, make time to exercise, make time to meditate, make time to spend with your loved ones, because a healthy mind and body can help you stay focused on, you know, achieving your goals. It can help you stay motivated, you know? So, with that being said, you guys, achieving your goals requires planning, perseverance, and dedication. By setting smart goals, what we talked about earlier, and creating an action plan, staying motivated, surrounding yourself with supportive people, embracing failure, staying flexible, and practicing self care, you can achieve your goals and reach new levels of success. Okay? And be sure to remember that the key to achieving your goals is to take action. You take action, stay focused, and never give up. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your desires. Never give up on your hopes. Never give up on achieving your goals. If you set out for success, you will be successful. Speak it into existence. Speak success over yourself and manifest greatness. All right, y'all. So this has been another friendly reminder with your girl, Kanina. Thanks for watching, y'all. Give yourself a pat on the back for getting through that. Thanks for watching, you guys. And don't forget, if you guys want to join my meditation one-on-ones, or if you want to have a business consult one-on-one to build your business and basically reach your goals of success, get at me. My link is below, and you guys can purchase through the link. And I will be sure to make sure, I get all the information that I need from you guys before taking the call. Once you schedule, then check your email for an email confirmation email from me, and we'll select times and the date that you want and everything else that you need. And that's it. All right, so you guys have a great day. Enjoy your Wednesday, and peace. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cut those notification bells on too. Peace.